Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix email not receiving problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Open your phone setting. Make sure your internet connection is stable. And also you check your phone storage because sometimes phone storage may cause happen to mail not receiving problem. Now scroll down and find out apps. Go to apps, tap on manage apps, go to Gmail, tap on storage, click on clear data. Now clear cache data. Open Google Play Store and search Gmail. And from here, make sure your Gmail app is updated. Again, open your phone setting, go to battery. So sometimes battery saver mode can happen email not receiving problem. So make sure your battery saver mode is off